Hi everyone! The following is a quick tutorial on how to navigate the curriculum during class. In this video, we'll cover how to start and end class, how to have multiple teachers join a class, viewing student progress during a lesson, and the eyes up function. Let's get started. First, in order to start class, you need to be in a lesson. From this screen, we're going to get into doll and narrative, so we're going to go ahead and click the doll and narrative screen. We'll go into boy, lesson 1. Now that we're in a lesson, you can see the student status icon on the top right-hand corner. Before you start class, it's important to actually start class in the curriculum. In order to do that, you would first click on the student status icon. Make sure you select what class you would like to start on the upper left-hand side. You would go ahead and click the green Start Class button. Once you click the green button, it'll now move to orange and your class has been started. When you are done with class, you need to make sure that you end the class of the current section you're teaching before you start your next class. In order to end a class, you would come back here, the student status icon, click on In Progress, and now the button is back to green and you can go ahead and select a different section to start that class. If you have a class that has more than one teacher, or if you're logged into 2 devices using your teacher login, it's important to make sure that you join a class in progress. This will assure that all teachers share the functions built into a lesson. One teacher can start class and the other teacher could end class, or you could start class from your laptop and end class from your iPad. In order to join a class, you're going to click on the student status icon at the top right, and then you'll see a green button that says Join Class. You'll click on Join Class, and it'll turn from green to orange in progress. Now you have all the same functions as you would from whichever device, or your co-teacher has all the same functions, including the eyes up. And you'll be able to see what students are logged on and where they are in the curriculum. The reason why it's important to start the class is to help you view your student status during a lesson. When class is started, you can see the student status roster to monitor whether or not your students are signed in and what activity they're viewing. When you click Name, you'll see that I have the names of my students, and if I click Activity, you'll see that none of my students are connected. The icon that will help you during class is the Eyes Up function. When this button is on, your students will not have access to the curriculum and they will only see the Eyes on Teacher screen. This is a great tool for giving instructions or if you need to get students' attention for whatever reason during instruction. In order to activate this feature, you'll need to click on the student status icon. Make sure your class is in progress, and then you can press the Eyes Up button. It will turn from orange to white, and then your students will only be able to see the Eyes Up screen. When you're done, make sure you press the button again, and it goes back to orange. And now your students are able to access the curriculum again. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to navigate teacher features during a lesson. As you can see, these features are important to help you run a smooth, well-managed ELA class. Have a great day.